it's a sad day.
It is. It's going home today. But everything's all done. We got back from our live last night and we've done the packing, most of it. So everything's all done now, so you can enjoy today because we're here most of the day.
Yeah.
So you can chill out by the pool or go walk down a strip or whatever and enjoy the last bit before we got to go home because, like I said, we packed last night. So we didn't have to think about too much now, I think.
Yeah. I definitely don't want to do too much today.
No.
Because I don't want to get too hot. And it's always hot here. But I think I've got a little bit of a suntan.
I think you have, but you got red.
It's a little bit brown.
Yeah.
Like on my forehead and stuff, it's a bit brown. I was looking in the mirror and like, compared to everybody else, this isn't tan. But for me, it's quite tan, right?
Yeah, you've
So
done
that's
well.
quite cool. And we're going to go down for breakfast. My dad was out partying all night last
Yes,
night.
he texted in family chat and it was like 1 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, we were all in bed.
Yeah.
And he's sending
still
videos of
there.
him singing. So,
Fair play to him.
yeah, so I assume we'll be up at some point.
Yeah, there's no rush today at all. You know, I think we've got the rooms till 12 o'clock.
Yes, so we're going to go.
Dad's got it till 4 o'clock, so yeah, absolutely no rush. We've got places to put the cases and stuff. What's fantastic. So
Well, we're getting picked up at 6.
yeah, I think it's like something like that. I think our plane is like midnight.
11.
Yeah. So, like I say, we can enjoy the last few hours, savour it a bit. But we're going to start with breakfast. Yes, let's go.
Let's go. I didn't show you my bag yesterday.
It's very full up now.
It's really full now. It's nice though.
It is nice.
And then we swapped the strap, so I got the strap instead of, it was just a plain black one, wasn't it? So I got the strap, but it's zipped up, it's got different sections, it's very heavy. I'm not sure what the hook on the side's for. Is that like an umbrella or something?
Maybe.
Like that. Yeah, but I love it. It's
nice.
now very heavy and very full.
Isn't it?
iPad, phone, I don't know, everything, snacks.
Cool.
Yeah, I was voting nap, but John is voting.
Well, we're all done now. We're all squared away. We had breakfast. I think everyone's just getting it all squared away.
It's the last day and we've got prime spot. Definitely going to regret not swimming today. I don't think it's worth like all the getting changed. I know. I'm quite happy, but I think I'll regret. What? Yeah. Well, look at my tan lines. I'm going to read my book. I've got the iPad as well. We've got all the activities today. Snacks, drinks, sorted. Yeah. Wait until the bar opens at 10. Get some ice. Yeah. Nice. Okay. We've chilled.
We have a couple hours by the pool. Yeah, it was very nice.
We've gone for lunch.
Yes, on
Just there.
down the strip.
Yeah.
It's sad. I don't want to go home.
Now, John needs to tell you about the airport drama.
Yeah, there's some sort of cyber attack with the airports. We're not 100% sure
If we're going home.
we can get home yet. We haven't had no emails, nothing like that. It's not until tonight, so we'll see what happens.
Yeah.
Also, there's a big fire going on.
In Antalya?
Yeah, so you can see a helicopter flying around with a bucket, dropping water. So yeah, we might be going home, we might not. We'll find out.
But we need lunch first.
We do. So we just wandered down to the strip. It's absolutely stunning down here.
Yeah.
So yeah, have a bit of lunch down here and we'll see how we get on.
That's it.
We've still got like an hour.
Yeah, we had lunch and can chill out, packed the last little bits.
Yeah.
Now we've just got to wait around. Sad times.
So
It's been an awesome week though.
it has.
It's been, yeah, like I said, it's been chilled for us.
Yeah.
A lot chilled than other holidays we've had, which was really good. But yeah, amazing.
State of my hand luggage.
Is there anything you can take out?
No, not really.
That's it. Now we've just got to wait around for an hour and hope we can get on the plane because got things going on.
Yeah.
But we'll be alright. We'll suss it out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I am so bitten on my legs. A man just came up and said I look like I'm a dartboard, basically.
Yeah.
My friend, man friend.
He's awesome.
He's so funny. But yeah, my legs are itchy. I can't wait to be in England and not get bitten.
It's going to be cold.
Actually, I can wait to be in England, but I want to see Louis
I
now.
can't wait to see Louis.
Yeah.
Get back. And we'll be alright. We've got 2 days-ish. 2.5 days.
A day and a half.
Yeah. That's not too bad.
Day and a half, yeah.
We get back Sunday, have all Sunday, and then Monday.
Yeah.
Before we're back to work on Tuesday. So yeah, not too bad. We'll probably vlog Sunday.
Yeah.
And back to work on Tuesday. Yeah. Right.
Case is
the
down.
Katie's room. Someone else can get it sorted.
Yes.
Your dad, I think, next.
Yeah. The bus is here.
The time has come.
Dun dun dun.
Yes. Let's say nice and early, half an hour early. Much good because we don't know what's happening. So yeah, we can get there, get sorted hopefully, and find out if we actually leave today.
Yeah.
That's the plan. So yes, 50-minute drive to the airport, and then we're off.
We off.
We're off.
Like an egg because I'm hot, but that was absolute chaos.
That's been a bit of a mission. Yeah, I must admit that's been a mission. They called the check-in was late.
They sent us backwards and forwards.
Yeah, Nigel had a problem at passport control.
And now we're about to spend the most money we've ever spent on airport food.
Yeah, so we're just looking at McDonald's. It was £20 for a normal McDonald's meal per person.
So we're going to get a freshly made sandwich.
We are, we're going to have a look.
Sounds nice actually.
We've got a table, we're all sorted now, we've got 40 odd minutes to chill out. It's been a hectic airport, however, nothing compared to Texas.
It was actually Calgary going to Texas.
Yeah. Well,
but that was just because you haven't got fingerprints.
Yeah, but that was scary. Nigel had a problem at passport control and they kept him there for a bit because nothing was so
I had to speak to the police.
Yeah, and they just let him through. Amazing.
He said, family. And then let him through.
I feel this pain, but no, they're not the most helpful people, are they?
No.
But yeah, we sorted now.
We're going to grab a sandwich.
Yeah.
John is fuming.
That was a bit crazy. So we had 2 sandwiches, a packet of Doritos, 2 Cokes and a water for £50. I can't believe that.
It's the nicest Dorito I've ever eaten.
The sandwich was stale.
It's been robbed. Daylight. I'm considering opening a fraud charge.
I can't believe it. I can't 50 quid for 2
John was
sandwiches.
very angry when he came back.
I was stunned. I'm over it now.
He was not too stunned to speak.
I was going to work out.
You're alright now.
How much per crisp it was going to cost me.
Got a tenner?
It's crazy. Yeah, just be aware when you come here.
Yeah.
It's very expensive.
Don't eat it. John's just finished our £1 million bag of crisps.
The most expensive 2 eats I've ever paid in my life. Yes, you did. This is ending it. I'm over it. Why? I'm over it.
He was very red when he came back.
You sold that,
No.
I'm over it. I'm over it. I'm good now.
Can you tell your face?
I'm over
Also, I left a little bit of my sandwich.
Oh, good one.
John's saying it's like 5 quid one, but it was just bread. I don't know. I think we have to do another security check. So,
Yeah.
and
It's been a
third
bit of a
one.
process, hasn't it?
It's been
Been
a
bit of
real process.
Yeah. Not quite as bad as Calgary going to Texas.
Well, that was only because John's illegal.
Yeah, it was a bad time, but this was very close to it. Never been to an airport what cost as much as that did.
Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday.
That's mad.
John's very angry about it. He'll get over it.
I'm over it. I'm all right.
You're
I'm
over
all
it. Right.
We had to go for Nevis recording. Never been on a games recording. Okay, we're on. We had to go for Nevis recording at that gate, we just mentioned it. Never done that in my life, so that was a new one on me. But it was alright, nice it is. Just took our time, we're fine.
We're hoping the seat stays empty.
That'd be ideal.
That would be so nice, wouldn't it?
I'm thinking back on all those times when I felt closed off from all that I could become.
Okay, let's put bets on. I think.
I don't think so.
You think
We're
no?
not that lucky. We're not that lucky.
I'm fingers crossing yes.
Okay, we'll find out.
That would be so nice though, wouldn't it?
It would be nice. Yeah, we'll find out.
Yeah.
We'll find out.
Okay, so we might be lucky because we're waiting on 3 people.
Yes, but I think they just got on. We'll see where they go.
Well, they're not going to sit here, are they?
We don't know.
Nah, they're staying up there, aren't they? Okay, so a load more people just got on. More than just 3, like at least 12. But nobody for our seats, so yeah, everyone cheered.
Just said boarding complete and we still got seats.
Yes.
It's a happy day.
Yes.
You might have got away with
This
it.
is my bag chair now.
Yes. Happy. Then maybe get some sleep on the way home.
I'm probably going to wake John up for a wee every 20
Brilliant.
minutes. I'm going to wake you up for a wee every 20 minutes.
Yeah. That's cool. That's good. It's never happened before.
Never.
Eager but too scared to climb. Wanted to please my friends, but it felt like the end on myself. I was shut down and all drained out. I was lost, so I had to change. Yeah, I shook off all the bad vibes, cut me loose from the pettiness they turned on me. But now I am perfectly free to be me. This is who I am. This is who I am now.
Okay, about to get the luggage.
Off the plane. Yeah, get bags and get going.
Yeah.
That wasn't too bad, really. That was
No.
alright. Yeah. Wasn't too bad.
No.
And then we've got our phone, our car park up. We've got a meet and greet. So as soon as we get our bags, phone them, and then we driving home.
Yeah.
Nice and easy.
Yeah, so we're going to end this vlog here.
Yep.
So we hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to hit the subscribe, hit the thumbs up, hit the notification. We'll see you in the next one.
So watch, guys. Take care. Bye.
No matter what they say,